Truly free, be stopped never through all that's happening.
Hi, hello, Blue Jay here. We have a new NRG episode called Return of the WHEEZER, and I can tell by the name it looks similar to something, and I already know what it is gonna be. I'm not gonna waste any more time talking. Let's just get straight into it.
Just letting you guys know that there's a little bit of lag at the beginning of the video, but don't worry, it smooths itself out throughout the video, so just bear with us. All right, bye.
You got you. With lag, it's great. Let's get it. There's the game.
Still don't see why you had to come with me.
I'm not thrilled either. After you pulled that game night, I could kick your ass that one.
Thank you, Lord.
Run 5 laps, buddy.
That's it.
5 laps.
Oh, idiots. Took you too long enough. I was about to head home.
Sorry, dude. Dragon Mario here almost made me pass out.
I'm gonna hurt you.
Listening to you is hard enough.
All right. If you're done flirting, let's get going. GameStop won't be open forever.
Oh, right.
Oh, yeah. Let's go.
Okay.
20 minutes later.
That was fun.
Agreed. Maggie and Tony are gonna love the games we got.
Especially for
Hell,
me,
heck
after I showed
yeah.
Tari the exclusive edition I got, just so I can break it in front of her.
Holy lag.
I have no idea what you're talking about.
But it still looks good though.
Hi, Sonic. Have you seen my
Hey,
robot
Tori!
What's a rubber
Why
duck?
is he?
Sonic!
If you don't stop showing me this, I
Heartless
swear.
sometimes.
I got it back afterward.
Still. Well, besides that, I'm getting excited to pop these bad boys in when we get home.
True.
Why I meant so like Zach Healthy for a second. I don't know if that's him or that's somebody else, but bro, why that sounds so much like Zach? Man.
Yeah, which that's the others that they can play too.
This is alright.
Yes, this is gonna be so good. Nothing's gonna this day.
Carl.
No, it can't be. Oh God, no!
Hey, I'm Carl.
Oh, it's you. You're back again, aren't you?
Get over here.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, any ideas?
Long time since I've seen you, fam.
Dude, you literally have super speed and agility. Why aren't you fighting?
Because I don't have a death wish. This guy is on a whole new level.
It's true though.
Guys, over here!
What? In there? In the alleyway? Or...
Didn't we do this last time?
Yeah, and it went so well.
Well, then you hush. I got a plan.
Oh yeah? Do tell.
Where are you, juicy boys?
Alright, we need to chill on that, fam. We need to chill on that, fam. We need to chill on that, fam.
Finally,
We need to chill on that, fam.
All right, let's do it to it.
Oh my. What a great battle this is, huh? Damn. Oh, shoot. Jesus.
Is that all?
Not even close.
Let's go!
You sure?
For the motherland.
So, did bro just sacrifice himself, or is he still alive? Nah, I think bro survived. I think bro survived.
Nailed it. Guys?
I told y'all.
She's gonna stretch.
Oh man.
My turn.
Was R.I.P. to them.
Man, f that guy.
Oh, this is amazing. Amazing! Really well done, even though it was pretty short, but hey. We're rocking with it. We're rocking with them. We're rocking with them. We're rocking with them. Okay. So, really great. I love how it looks, and amazing work on it, and pretty great. And I love the style. I love the animation, even though it was like Nick said, it was like at the end. No, not at the end, but at the beginning, but it still looks pretty good though. And I love it. Even though it's short, it's good to see Mr. Carl again. Guys, bring it back to when I first reacted to the NRG series now. Now we come here. So, I think that's about it. So, thank you guys for watching. Please make sure to like, subscribe, comment, and share. Don't forget to social down below. Otherwise, I'll see you all next time. Later. God bless y'all.
Fucking eyes that I'm staring at. Well, let me see that ass. Look at all this cash, and I emptied out my car too. Now I'm fucking leaning on that. Bring your love, baby, I can bring my shame. Bring the drugs, baby, I can bring my pain. I got my heart right here. I got my scars right here.